G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward, and today we are launching a new Masterclass project, and it is based on a beautiful poem that so many of you would know. When I am an old woman, I shall wear purple with a red hat that doesn't go and doesn't suit me. I'm sure you know this poem by Jenny Joseph. It's absolutely amazing, and it is perfect for our little Chihuahua. Now the Chihuahua is based on my grandpuppy, my eldest daughter's dog, who many of you, if you've been with me for years and years and years, you would know that she used to do some modelling on my channel at the very beginning. She used to model the little items that I made. Some of those videos are still up there. You've got to scroll way, way, way back. But that was when she was a tiny baby puppy, and now she is the matriarch in the dogs of the Pay family. And she's the oldest, and we look after her very carefully and treat her as the queen that she is. But I thought that so many people have asked me for a little Chihuahua art doll, so I've made a very broad spectrum sort of a design, a little larger than life size, just makes it easier for everyone, and also it just translates better in this size. And she's just very, very eclectic, just like little Cupie is in real life. And she has all sorts of bits and pieces with her. Let's take a closer look. So this is my very eclectic version of my grandpuppy Cupie, and of course demonstrating that beautiful poem. And just to give you a sort of a background on the things and the accessories that I've put with her that can look fairly odd. They're odd for a reason. So the poem goes, it begins with, when I am an old woman, I shall wear purple with a red hat, which doesn't go. It definitely doesn't go, and it doesn't suit me. Oh, I don't know, I think it suits her. And I shall spend my pension on brandy and summer gloves. So we have brandy in her little tote bag, which you also get to make, and gobble up samples in shops and press alarm bells. I shall go out in my slippers in the rain. So we have beautiful little fluffy slippers this time. I have to show you these up close. Look at these little darlings, just adorable. I shall go out in my slippers in the rain and pick the flowers in other people's gardens. So these are her flowers. And she also says you can wear terrible shirts. That's not a terrible shirt. And eat 3 pounds of sausages at a go. And we have sausages. So there's so many things you can do this one. I will endeavour to attach the lovely poem by Jenny Joseph, and you can read through it and you can see where I've pulled all these things from. I've just had the best time. I felt like little Cupie's been sitting with me the whole time actually, which has been really lovely. That lovely little teacup hat is quite adorable to make. I've popped a little spoon in there that I've created as well. I know all of you creators out there are going to do amazing things and certainly add from that poem, or you could certainly just make her up as just a delightful little Chihuahua. You can make her up as a boy or a girl. And she's just been an absolute joy to make. I certainly hope you've enjoyed seeing her. So thank you all for joining myself and dear little Cupie, and I hope you have a whole lot of fun with her. And now to finish our poem, but maybe I ought to practice a little now, so people who know me are not shocked and surprised when suddenly I am old and start to wear purple. But for now, it is hooroo from me.